Imagine this. You pour hours into a video, you upload it, and then you wait, hoping the algorithm decides you're worthy. For most creators, that's the cycle: create, upload, pray. But today, YouTube just made an announcement that could break that cycle forever. This is the feature that changes everything. And for the first time in YouTube's history, your video doesn't just have to fight for its own survival. Now, you can borrow power from other creators' audiences. Here's how it works. One creator uploads. They invite up to 4 others. Each one accepts, and suddenly, one single video carries the weight of multiple channels. Their icons appear beside the title, the names show up in bold, and with one click, every viewer sees all the collaborators, each one backed by that glowing subscribe button. Here's why this isn't just cosmetic. For years, collaborations meant hoping someone dug through the description and actually clicked a link. But now, YouTube's recommendation system itself joins the fight. When you post a collab, you're not just saying, "Watch this." You're telling the algorithm, these audiences belong together. They want the same thing. Push this video to all of them. And so it begins. Your video reaches your subscribers, your collaborators' subscribers. Audiences who have never heard of you suddenly see your face on their homepage. 500 subs becomes 2,000. A small voice becomes a chorus. And one upload becomes an army. But like every new power, there's a cost. Right now, the money doesn't split. Only the uploader takes the ad revenue. The video doesn't appear on every channel, only the main one. And no one really knows how the stats, views, watch time, growth are counted. It's powerful, but it's unfinished. It's opportunity tangled with uncertainty. Collab is coming, and whether it rises into the ultimate growth tool or collapses under its flaws depends on how creators use it. So the question is, when this power finally reaches your channel, will you be ready to use it? Subscribe, because this is only the beginning.